In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to foam roll your calf muscles. So firstly, I'm using one of the long abrasive foam rolls here. You can use a short foam roll for this, it's not a problem. And if you do use a foam roll and you're new to foam rolling, make sure you start off with one of the softer ones before you go on to one of the really abrasive ones. Over time, your body will adapt to the foam roll. So if you start off with something that's softer and that's quite harsh, it will get to the point where it becomes easier and easier and easier over time, to the point where you're going to want to progress the resistance of the foam roll. So when it comes to the position that we're going to be foam rolling, if I take my sock down, I don't want to be coming too close to the Achilles tendon. So I'm going to be coming from this point here, where my first finger is on my left hand, up to here. So this is where I'm going to be foam rolling. So from the back, I'm not too close to the knee, and I'm certainly not behind the knee. There's too many delicate soft tissue structures there, so we want to make sure that we're not near the knee at all. And I'm also making sure that I'm not near that Achilles tendon. So I'm going to be foam rolling the calf muscle and the soleus in bulk, but not coming down too low or too high. Now, there's two main techniques with regards calf foam rolling. And the first one is popping the hands behind your back and then having one leg come out the way. From here, I'm then going to foam roll back and forth with my hips. And this is going to apply different pressures. I might want to turn the foot in to get the medial side of the calf. I might want to turn the foot out to get the lateral side of the calf. If I put the foot completely straight as if it's pointing up to the ceiling, I'll get the middle of the calf. And I'm looking here realistically for any points of pressure. And when I find a point of pressure, I'm just going to stay on it. And I'm just going to apply that very slow up and down motion until I start to desensitize the area. There's lots of different opinions on how long to foam roll for. And what I tend to say with my kind of clients is, if you start off with an area and you're new to foam rolling and you spend loads of time on it, what's going to happen is you're going to get sore. So make sure that you progress just like you would with exercise. You might find an area, do maybe 30 seconds on it, go to the next area, 30 seconds, and then over time you might do 45 and 1 minute and so on. If you're doing this and you kind of go, you know what, I'm not really feeling anything, or I need it to be more resistance, all you would do then is, now I'm going to bring my hips up off the floor. I'm going to place my leg over my left leg here that's on the foam roll, and all of a sudden the resistance change due to my right leg being over the top of my left leg has really increased the weight and resistance that's coming down on my left leg. So that's the more abrasive version, and the first one is the beginner version. That is how to foam roll your calves.